What are we doing today, guys?
Putting a turbo on something.
We're going to the junkyard trying to pick out a turbo or something to turbo. And first we gotta get some. Oh wait, we can't show advertisement, can we?
We can just mark it out.
Yeah.
Jacob Warren's up there.
Nobody's seen that. What are we doing today?
I don't know, but I'm getting food. That's all I know.
But we're gonna go turbo something, right?
Hopefully something cool. Hopefully.
And then we're going to go out on the burnout pad with it.
We might shoot a rod to the block.
We might shoot a rod or a
Like
turbine.
Alexis did.
Yes,
yesterday.
yes. We're going to go get food because we're all insanely over 100 pounds. Made it to the junkyard. Have we found anything, Kenny?
Maybe.
Maybe. What's these goons doing? What are you hooligans doing now?
I want these exhaust pipes. The tips.
For your truck?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Dude, I bet this baby sounded nasty.
We finally got Rowdy back in the videos.
Hey, easy.
What is Canyon planning on doing with this? Not the freaking Suburban. Are you grabbing the Ford?
Toaster start.
Oh gosh, the toaster's not starting.
No way.
No,
The what?
the toaster.
The manual toaster.
Is this your first time out here in the yard?
It is. I'm a little scared.
Watch that hole. We're gonna see if the toaster starts. I guarantee it don't. Right there's the field if you guys remember that.
No, I shut up.
I think it's good for one rip. I think it's good for one rip.
It's gonna smoke this face.
It's good for one rip.
No, I can't do it. I think it's good for a few more F bombs though.
Well, we found a truck and we're cleaning it out right now. There's so much junk in it. Oh my gosh, I found a hole in the bed.
You know what? Hell yeah. I think they like Mountain Dew.
We think they like Mountain Dew. That's all that's in this thing, Mountain Dew. What is this? Nike golf ball.
Hey, I found a new Christmas stocking.
Oh.
I found a new Christmas stocking, guys.
Oh, that's yeah, weird.
Oh.
She is done for.
Update. We got the Dodge out.
Good.
We're going to try to take this Dodge to my house and we're gonna try to put turbo on this thing. We're gonna put the turbo right out here in this bed. What do you think? Think the turbo's gonna work?
Better work.
You think turbo's gonna work, Rowdy?
Oh, it should work.
Should work. So we're gonna grab some stuff. We're gonna get it all together and we're gonna slap a turbo in this thing and see what she does. Hopefully it eats. I mean, I don't know what motor this is. I know it's a Magnum, but I don't know which kind of Magnum. Hold up. 5.2. Okay, so this is the biggest Magnum we can get. Wow. So, yeah, let's get this thing loaded up. Let's get out of here. We are back. We got the Dodge home, and what did we find, Cut?
A little bit of rust. Just a little.
Holy moly! Literally, I'm gonna have to sweep the floor.
Weird.
So, hey, guys? What are we doing with this?
Putting turbo on it. Turbo.
Hey, what are we doing to this Dodge today?
Don't even ask me any of those questions. Putting the turbo.
Hey.
Where's the turbo?
Hey.
On the floor.
On the floor.
Behind you.
Yeah,
So, Rowdy, you just looked up all the information on the turbo that we found in the junkyard, and we're putting on this. What's the information on it?
6.5 Detroit.
How much power is it held for?
400.
Oh, this Dodge is blowing it apart.
Oh,
This Dodge is blowing it apart.
You're making maybe 120.
Oh, boom. Boom. You guys just seen a burnout. That 5.3 couldn't even do that.
Crank, it's making
That 5.3 couldn't even do it. Did the truck do a good burnout for what it was? It did. What do you think, Canyon?
I thought it was good.
But what's out back?
Oh my God. Oh, burnout pad?
It blew
That too.
That too?
It blew more smoke than the bathrooms at J County.
Whoa! Name dropping.
I didn't name
You're going and say something. Name dropping.
I think it's the bed sides are solid. That's what they're not.
Okay. So our initial goal is somehow we might have to put a hole through the windshield to get the boost, the intercooler pipe to come all the way back here. But this is going to be our intercooler pipe. We're going to cut the.
Make like 6 or 7 pounds of boost.
Literally, that's all we're asking. We're going to have.
7?
I think we got more than that.
Oh my gosh!
Like 4 or 1.
You hear these guys?
41 pounds of boost.
So if this thing don't go choo 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 by the end of the day, I am going to be very upset. But so let's grab a Sawzall, right? All right, let's get to it. We're getting ready to cut a hole in the bed, and we're going to mount the turbo right there, right in the rear corner. I'm gonna make sure we're not catching the eye.
Hell is dead.
I think his battery was dead.
Oh,
Gave us a dead battery.
It gave us a dead battery.
my bad. That's my fault.
Where's the wheel? Actually, I give it. Those are good Sawzall blades. You want it? This is it. They're cleaning it out. They're called Diablos. They're good. They're good.
Hey, I need a blade.
Right there. Hey, we need a grinder wheel, Hunter.
Yeah, it's gone.
What?
Nice thing about this puppy, styrofoam doors. Is that not sweet or what? I mean,
I'm falling apart.
what do you mean? You talking about my dog like that? These are solid trucks.
Where's your tool to take this off?
Should be top left too.
The old Milwaukee.
Woohoo!
Jump, dude.
That's brand new.
Yeah, I think it looks nice.
It's brand new, like literally a week old.
What's up with the Milwaukee, Hunter?
It's an amazing product.
Ah,
Milwaukee, please sponsor me.
it's gotta be the battery then.
Please. Life would be hard without you.
Let's let it build.
What, RPM?
Yes.
I do, and I drop it.
You want to come grab this? Muffler is off. Now we're going to get the 90 up.
Right here.
I need this 90. How soon are you putting these on the truck?
I don't know why.
Could we sacrifice one? Just for this for a bit until you want. We got the other one. Out the bed. Where's the turbo? What? Tell me.
Oh yeah.
Maybe.
Will that weld in there? Or is
Yeah.
that cast?
You can weld it.
Here you go. Get it? Yeah. Both of them?
Yeah.
Hey, you want to hear me that tripod right there?
No.
Can you not get to the rubbers? I can. Okay. Hey, not use this out. Now we can do that. There's two of them. Yep. Perfect. Let's hold it.
We're gonna have a turbo
Dodge. Anytime. Hopefully. Get fabricating, Hunter. What is...
Damn.
No, not the Buick wheels. Those are mine.
What are we doing, David? Cutting the hangers off. He's trying to wear the hangers.
Who's welding?
Me?
Not me.
I'll be the welder, but you guys gotta do the boost pipe. Hey, go out to the back real quick, right there on the fence, and look and see what all we got back there. Me and Canyon will fab this up real quick.
Woo, woo, woo.
Alright. So we got a little progress report. We got the we're getting tacked up. I gotta weld some more, and then I gotta weld up tip. We'll go up to the boys, see what they're doing up there. I'm gonna go down here and weld.
Well, what's happening, boys?
Putting the clamp on the intake.
Oh, how's the hose clamp going?
It's being a MF word.
Oh.
Hopefully it holds.
Oh, this is a beauty. Oh yeah.
Up right there, we got Cody over here doing what?
Plan. Rethreading, I guess.
I don't know. But we're gonna go check up on Rowdy real quick. Rowdy, what we got going on up here? Needs a bigger clamp. He is. Where you hooking or setting up the boost pipe?
Oh yeah.
We're hooking up the boost pipe. We're gonna run it over. Are we doing it over the roof?
I think so.
We're gonna go over the roof with it and try to mount it all right here to this turbo. So we're gonna see if we have a bed track turbo truck. We almost got the turbo
Hey,
mounted.
if y'all want, I'll plumb you up a line.
We're gonna plumb up this thing. We got the freaking intercooler pipe going up and over. We're gonna need to self-tap it with a clamp. Hold
Oh, we'll get zip ties, drill holes to the roof.
it. Okay. You guys wanna do that?
Well, we're not.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this bolted down. What do you think, Kenyon?
Looks good.
We're close. So close from the first fire up. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but
Not at all.
it's so plumbed. Hey, we need holes drilled, not to mount
Drill
up there.
bits, where you keep them.
Just up in the top of that little red toolbox. Here you go. He's hooking up a little oil tube right now, and we should be golden here soon.
You guys
Alrighty.
ready?
Well,
Yeah.
we gotta. Hold on. Watch out. Grab it again. I don't want that turbo to blow up in my face. See if this turbo did anything. You think it did, Canyon? Oh, we just blew the turbo. I just blew that turbo.
Hold up, don't rev it.
Blow that turbo.
No, it's just, dude, it's got pressure on these.
Yeah, it's blowing.
No,
Hey, Hunter, tape those holes too.
for the end of that.
You need a knife?
I got one. For the end of that fucking wastegate.
Alright, well, we plugged holes that we know of,
I think they were.
and I think they were sucking way too much air, not letting it build any boost. And then it made a little choo-choo-choo.
It was building boost,
But
just not a lot.
we got Hunter, expertise, duct taping our holes.
No, not duct tape. We're doing it the right way.
Gorilla taping.
Yeah.
She is a little warm, I think. Is this warm?
Where was that?
This is right here.
There's one up top too. That's where
Beautiful.
all our boosts are going.
Oh yeah.
Austin Barnett.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Creation.
This is the coolest thing.
Oh,
ever.
right there too. Dude, that's where it's coming from.
Yeah.
Let's pull this up.
I think we get these holes. Let it eat, Canyon. I didn't kill it. It killed itself.
Uh-oh. Are we starving it? We might be starving it over there.
No, I just let off.
Oh. Cody already about launched it in the creek bed. Good night, Cody.
Huh?
What kind of tape job are you doing?
Dude, did you see it? Like,
Yeah, sucking. What up? See what you got, Canyon. Back her up on the pad. Wait, go this way. Yep. See what we got? Was that in drive? Oh, it's working. It went shoo.
did it?
Yes. Hold on.
Hold on, does it have brake fluid? Hey, I just.
Yeah, we got brake fluid. Might have to block it off. The tires are hot.
It's like a decent hot.
Here.
Okay, try it.
Here. That battery's not quite going yet.
Can we leave this on?
I would prefer not to in case he does launch it. I don't want that to fall on the fan. Go for it. Back up. Keep going.
Drive. Alright.
Hold on. Wait. See what you got. Go first. What the heck, Canyon? Do you know how to do a burnout?
I got a brakes.
Okay, hold up. Okay, back up that way. Turn. Yep. Back up. Turn the other way. Keep back. Keep going. Yep, right there. Right there, right there. Okay. Hold on, we're gonna block. Okay, put it in drive all the way down.
You started a fire.
I think I did. Okay, and then hold the brake and mash it. A little too much. Don't drop it. That trans is going to say goodbye.
I'm trying to pump up the brakes.
Didn't you tell him it had no brakes?
He literally just said it barely had it.
Let's check the turbo. Oh, the Regal. The Regal. Oh. Is it hot?
You got it step on that.
You hear that whine? What is it? Is that? Woohoo! 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 Holy crap! The Regal. Dang! How hot is she, Canyon? How hot is she?
Not hot at all. She's fine.
Perfectly fine. Oh my Lantas! Oh my gosh! we're not quite building the right kind of boost that we want. What do you think?
I'm about to go in the creek bed. I can't do this. I'm not
Bigger turbo.
Bigger turbo.
Yeah, the turbo we got on there, it's just not quite enough.
Better intercoolers.
Yeah, we definitely need better intercooling pipe. We made this pipe out of a bunch of what?
And we need to not put
Scrap.
Yeah.
Scrap for this turbo. But hey, we turboed the Dodge. I mean,
Kinda.
it's not fully there. It's not fully there, but we turboed a Dodge. Okay, Rowdy. Hey, we need a high five for turbo and a Dodge. Only vehicle to hold power like this.
Yeah.
Is this what you guys mean by 2G swap?
Look at that thing. That is what has power.
What?
The Chevy.
Yeah, the Chevy that barely holds its own garage? What's the Chevy do when we try to start it?
Cause you ain't got no gas in it.
No, that's not true. But hopefully you enjoyed this video of attempting to turbo the Dodge. We're going to come back hopefully a little better for the next video, make it a lot better.
That has power.
Yeah, maybe
5.3.
maybe even turbo 5.3 and see which one does better, the Dodge or the 5.3. What do you got dibs on?
5.3.
I bet the Dodge runs better.
You think? What do you think, Rowdy?
5.3.
I love Dodge, but I can't lie, I've owned an LS 5.3 and I gotta go with the 5.3 too. I'm sorry, Canyon. He's very upset right now.
Hating when we all say talk about the
Okay, but I am a Dodge guy, but the 5.3 when it comes to V8, Chevy's got it. Chevy's got the...
Chevy has it in anything.
Nope. Dodge has got the diesel world. Dodge has the diesel world. Again, guys, that concludes our video of turbo swapping and Dodge, and hopefully you enjoyed this one. I don't know what we got for plans next, but hey, I think it let out to be a good video again, and we took a lot of time to do that in one day, but it's done. It's not building near enough boost that we want it to, but hey, it does enough to spin the tires a little more, I feel like. I don't know what the other guys say, but hey, we're back in business again. Hopefully we'll have another video out by next weekend. Thank you for watching, follow along, and see you next time.